Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you how to answer this one. We can use about interpretation by substitution. So I will put about u equals to x plus psi x. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have number 1. This one we have cosine x. Now we know that this one that is about u. 1 plus cosine x dx we change for the u. The integration of this one that is about Ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u that is about x plus psi x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.